guys, and welcome back to my channel. First of all, I'm going to start off by apologizing if the lighting is a little bit wonky. It's starting to get dark outside, but I had to film this intro and my outro after my son went to bed. Those of you that don't know, I have started a daycare recently, and it is like, it's an adjustment, let me tell you. So I realized that I have to have this video going up right away, and I needed to do the intro and the outro. Had no other time other than right now. So anyways, so today we are going to be doing a what I eat in a day on keto, and we are also going to be doing the keto wrap up. So if you are new to my channel, or if you just haven't seen these videos, I am doing a series right now where I'm trying the top 3 diets on YouTube, which is keto, intermittent fasting, and the vegan lifestyle. So I'm trying each one for a month to see which one works the best, and I'm reporting my progress back to you. So we are done with the keto month. I did keto all the month of June, and now I'm into intermittent fasting and watch out for a video coming on that very soon. But for now, we are going to wrap up the keto. So I'm gonna wait, and I'm gonna do my results after you guys see the what I eat in a day. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and roll the clips for you from what I ate in a day this month, and then come back here at the end of the video and to hear my final results. Okay, so typically I am putting about a teaspoon of butter and a 1/4 cup of almond milk in my coffee. This is actually my 2nd cup of coffee this morning, so I'm just having it plain black. And then I've got 2 scrambled eggs with about a 1/2 ounce of marbled cheese on there, and 2 teaspoons of guacamole. And then I'm just having a nice big bottle of water. So that's going to be what I'm going to be having this morning, and that's going to keep me full for a while. Okay, you guys, so it is hours and hours later. My last clip when I was eating breakfast was at like 7 o'clock, 7:30 at the latest, and it is now 20 to 1. So I'm going to be having some lunch. Here, I'll show you what I'm having. Okay, so I've got some chicken cordon bleu. So that's just a chicken breast with some ham on it and some cheese. I've got some cauliflower with 2 tablespoons of hummus for dipping. And then I've got this side salad, and it's just got lettuce. It's got like some pumpkin seeds, like a medley of seeds, basically. Some avocados, radishes, tomatoes, cucumbers. I think that's it. Pretty sure that's it. A little bit of bell pepper. So I'm going to go ahead and eat this, and then later on we'll be having a snack too. Okay, you guys, so it's 4:15. I know that's pretty early, but my son did not nap today. Again, he's been not napping the last few days, so that's been fun. And what I didn't tell you guys earlier is that I have been up since 3 o'clock in the morning. My boyfriend got called in to go to work at 3, and so I woke up when he got called, and I suffer with insomnia, so I wasn't able to go back to bed after that. So that was a little bit frustrating. So I am tired as well, so it's going to be an early night for both me and my son. So we are probably going to eat supper a little bit on the early side and both go to bed on the early side. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to be making tacos, but I like to do it with the cheese shell, but I'm just thinking that maybe I want to do it almost like stuffed peppers. Like I want to make a combination of stuffed peppers and tacos. So I figured I'd just like stuff my peppers with the taco stuff. Does that make sense? But bake it. You'll see when I'm done. I know it might not make any sense right now, but you'll see in a minute. Okay, so there is the finished product. I have one more that I have enough macros and everything to eat. So we'll see how I feel after these 2. But yeah, so it's just a bell pepper, and then I just stuffed it with ground beef that has the taco seasoning on it. And I've got a little bit of salsa on there, some guacamole, and some black olives. And I'm really excited to try it. Basically a taco, but just using, instead of a cheese shell, or instead of a tortilla shell, using a pepper. We'll see how it goes. Okay, you guys, so I'm just about to start cleaning up after dinner. Those stuffed peppers turned out so good. I was so impressed with them. I'll definitely be making them again. I only ended up having the 2, so I need to adjust all my calories because I had planned on having 3. But then my little guy had 1, and then he was wanting more. So I was like, okay, well, you can have my last one. So So yeah, so I only ate 2 and I'm actually feeling very, very full. So I am very glad that I only had 2 because I would have been way too full. So I'll have a little snack later on tonight and then that'll be it. But so far so good. Feeling full. It'd be good if I was in frame. Like, I don't know how to YouTube. Okay, you guys, so I am just gonna make some decaf green tea. It is about 20 after 7. I'm trying to go to bed really, really early tonight because like I told you earlier, I was up at a ridiculous time. So I think I'm gonna try to go to bed for around 9. So I'm just gonna have some tea. I don't, like, why do I keep doing this? I'm so sorry. Oh my goodness. So anyways, I think I'm just going to have some green tea, decaffeinated. And I don't think that I'm actually going to eat anything else today, which leaves me with a lot of calories and a lot of macros left over. I was planning on having a 1/4 cup of almonds and 10 garlic stuffed olives for a snack. So that was going to be my snack, but I am like super, super full from supper. Like that's the thing about this diet. It's just crazy. Like you feel so full when really you shouldn't because you barely eaten anything. So, but yeah, I'm feeling really full. So unless that changes, I'm going to end the video here. But yeah, just know that typically I would have probably had that snack. But today I think I'm just going to go with the green tea and I'm going to hit the hay early. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. Let me know in the comments down below if you have tried keto and what your thoughts on it were. Okay, you guys, so that was just a quick little what I eat in a day. Let me know in the comments down below what you eat in a day on keto, or if have you ever tried it? Have you not tried it? Do you want to try it? Has my video made you want to try it? Because the results might. So I'm going to get right on into this and let you know my final results for a month of keto. Now, I did a 1-week update where I let you guys know how much I lost in the very first week. It was quite a bit. So I'm just going to go and I'll say overall, my first week, I lost 9.6 pounds and a total inches over my whole body of 5.5 inches. Okay. Now in the second week, I didn't do nearly as well, but I still did pretty good. So the second week I lost 1.6 pounds and I gained an inch overall in my whole body. So in some areas I lost and in some areas I gained, and overall I ended up gaining an inch over my whole body. So that was really surprising to me. I definitely did not expect to gain an inch, but the next week, in week 3, I made up for that. So in week 3, I lost 3.2 pounds and I lost 7 inches overall. So pretty good. Now we're going to get into week 4. So I'm going to I'll tell you basically, I'll go through all the measurements for week 4 and then the monthly measurements. So in week 4, I lost 1 pound and 1/2 inch on my upper arms, 1/2 inch on my lower arms, 3/4 inch on my bust, 1/2 inch on my waist, nothing on my hips, 1/4 inch on my upper thighs, and I gained 1/2 inch on my calves. So overall, this whole month, let's just get into that. Overall, in 1 month on keto, I lost 15.4 pounds. I lost 1/2 inch in my upper arms, 1 inch in my lower arms, 2 3/4 inches in my bust, 2.5 inches on my waist, 3 1/4 inches on my hips, which is what I wanted the most, and 3 3/4 inches on my upper thighs, and 1 inch on my calves, making me down 14.75 inches in my body overall. So in 1 month, 15.4 pounds and 14.75 inches overall in 1 month on keto. And if you remember seeing my first video where I kind of explained what I was going to do and kind of what I thought the outcome was going to be, you might remember that I started with keto because that was the one I was dreading the most. I was sure I was going to hate it and I just wanted to get it out of the way. But I was absolutely shocked at how much I really liked it. I am not a person, like, I love my carbs. I could eat pasta and bread and everything all day long, every day, especially rice, white rice. Oh my God, I could eat it all the time, every meal. I didn't miss it once throughout this entire diet. I did not crave it. I felt satisfied. I did not feel hungry. My mind was not constantly thinking about food. I have a little bit of a food addiction. So like a lot of times, especially in the evening, that is a really hard time for me. And I just constantly think about food until I go and eat it. I did not experience that with this. And that was amazing because I have never, ever, ever tried a diet before that made me, I felt like I was normal around food. And I remember like there's several times throughout the month where I thought, this is what it must be like to have a normal person's brain and not be constantly thinking about food and wanting to eat. Like it just, it was amazing to me because I just wasn't thinking about food. Like anytime I've ever been on a diet before, that's all I think about, right? Like when do I get to eat again? It wasn't like this with this. I felt satisfied. I wasn't hungry. There was tons of times where I had to make myself eat because I just wasn't hungry. So that was absolutely amazing to me. And now after I did that, I'm starting to think that I might end up going back to keto once this is all done and losing the rest of the weight that I want to lose. But I still have 2 more months and 2 more challenges. So right now we're in the intermittent fasting. So definitely stay tuned for that video that's going to be coming soon. And let me know what your thoughts are on keto in the comments down below. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.